I got the latest Trendmood box. It is a collaboration with Lazy Turtle. So if you want to see what this is full of, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit just left, but Dexter's still hanging out with me. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's. I give you my thoughts on things, and it's kind of what we do here. So if you like that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for all your support and being a part of our YouTube family. All right, Trendmood is not a subscription box. They drop boxes whenever they want to. They work with cruelty-free companies from at least, I've never gotten anything that wasn't cruelty-free in any Trendmood box. So I assume that they are seeking out cruelty-free brands. Sometimes they do a takeover box like this one with this brand Lazy Turtle. I've never heard of it before, but the products look so stinking cute and colorful. I had to give them a try. It will be somewhere in like the 40 something, 49, 44, something like that. They always give you, or at least I always have a coupon for 10% off. And so I always get 10% off of it. Sometimes I get early access. So typically when you buy a box, you'll get early access for the next time, which is usually the night before. You have to do some reviews. They didn't do this time. I guess they did give me early access, but I didn't know that they gave me early access. They didn't give me like an email that we're giving you early access. So I went on, I got it at 1 o'clock. It had a code for a free bag. I put it in, it said it had all been claimed, so I didn't get the free bag, but that's all right. I think I'm gonna have some pretty amazing products. I just hope I can read them because I didn't bring my glasses down. And it says, good vibes, daily rituals, our story. Okay. Lazy Turtle began with the feeling, the easy rhythm of island life. Slow mornings, colorful sunsets, and the fresh, carefree vibe that makes you breathe deeper and smile longer. I'm doing good because it's kind of small. We were inspired by tropical scenes, the clean simplicity of the ocean air, and the joy of living a little more lazy. But when it comes to body care, nothing matched the energy. Products were either too harsh, too expensive, or too complicated. We saw an opportunity to create something different, a brand that was affordable, attainable, and inspirational. That's why we started Lazy Turtle, to make body care that feels like an escape but fits into real life. Our products are made for everyone, clean, colorful, and confidence boosting. They smell amazing, feel fresh, and remind you to slow down and enjoy. They are made in the USA. They're free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and other skin dermatologist tested, safe and effective, cruelty-free, treated on humans, not on bunnies or turtles. Every product is designed to wrap your skin in sunshine. I think that says. It's like a little tree there, so it's hard to see. Inspired by coastal ingredients from around the world, and beachy moisture, breezy scents, indulgent textures. Okay. Now, typically it's wrapped in purple, but we got orange this time. I think just going with that whole vibe. Guys, this is packed. Look how big these items are. There is not a deluxe sample in the pack. And I think it was like $44 out the door, tax and everything. So first we have the Tropical Splash Hair and Body Mist. Oh, so nice. Yes, love it. And then we have the Soft Sands Body Scrub. These are probably, as they are all sealed. And the Smooth Sailing Hand and Body Lotion in Strawberry Citrus. Oh, this is Sun-Kissed Sugar. Strawberry citrus. Strawberry citrus. Yeah, that's gonna. All right, we gotta smell that. Ooh, that's good. That's delicious. Oh, what we got here? We have the Cocoa Glow Body Butter in Cocoa Colada. Look at the thickness on that. I mean, yeah. Oh, oh, this is just so delightful. This is the Coastal Cleanse Shampoo in Mango Papaya. This is 11.8 ounces. And then the Mango Papaya Restore and Repair Conditioner. So perfect. And then last in here, this must be a body wash. Yes, this is the Relax and Rinse Strawberry Citrus Body Wash. So after we've washed with strawberry citrus, we can put the strawberry citrus body lotion on too. And we can scent pair it with the coconut, and I bet you that's amazing. Let's give it a little try here. You're always going to start with your thinner layer. So we're going to start with this strawberry citrus. Okay. Love it. Love it on its own. Let's try. Oh my God, guys, this is so thick. Oh yeah, that is like deliciousness. That's a nice build. I like that. All right. Love everything in here. So excited. Prices will have been up there. Definitely worth the money. And then some, like we definitely got well over our value. So great job. As always, Trendmood. Loving it. Thank you for introducing us to Lazy Turtle. So excited to start using these products. Let me know your thoughts. Would this be something you would have been interested in? And it says it's affordable. We'll find out because I haven't looked up the prices yet, but we'll know by the end. And yeah, community post down below. All right. Well, thanks so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.